Hello everyone, my name is Nikhilesh and I teach AI and generative AI to IT professionals. So in this video, we'll create a multi-AI agent system for customer support automation. And we'll also see how one agent can delegate task to another agent, right? So for creating this multi-AI agent system, we'll use a framework called CrewAI. So first let's understand what exactly an agent is, right? So an agent, basically, what is an AI agent? AI agent can reason through and simplify a complex problem, and basically it can access an external tool. So basically it has access to tools. Now what is a tool? Tool is basically an, if you see, is an as an external application. For example, it could be Google search, it could be access to Wikipedia, it could be access to Python interpreter, or it could be access to any other website, right? So any external application which it has access to. So basically now we can give multiple tools, right? So for example, if we can give Google search, Wikipedia, and Python interpreter. Now when we ask a question, first agent decide that whether it needs to access an external application or not. If it doesn't require to access an external application, it will simply generate the answer based on its knowledge. But if it's required to access an external application, then which external application it should access. So if it has three external applications, it will check, and basically then it will analyze, and it will basically choose the application from which it can get the answer. For example, if we ask a general knowledge question, it will like, who is the prime minister of the UK? Now LLM might not have the answer because it's a pre-trained model, and it has there is a knowledge cutoff. So it can access Google search to find out the answer. So this is what tool is. And we actually also specify a task which an agent supposed to do, right? So this is what an AI agent is. Now how do we create an agent? How do we? So let's understand the process. So first we define an AI agent. So what AI agent we are looking for? We'll see how to do that. Then we define the task. What exactly the agent supposed to do? Then we provide access to the tools, and then if there are multiple agents, then we need to combine those agents, and we create a crew, right? So crew, what is a crew? Is a basically when we combine multiple agents. So this is what the process is. So we'll be using CrewAI for doing all these steps. So now let's see. So first we are installing CrewAI tools and Langchain Community. Why we are installing CrewAI tools? Because CrewAI tools has all the external tools which agents can access. And Langchain Community is basically for any third-party integration. So we'll be using Langchain, but as we are using a third party, which is, so we need Langchain Community. So now we'll install these three. Now if you see, after that, once we import from CrewAI, we'll import agent, task, and crew, right? And then we'll basically add our open API key, because we'll be using GPT 3.5 Turbo as an LLM. So you know how to add an OpenAI API key. Just create your OpenAI API key by logging, and you can generate an OpenAI key, and then you can paste it here. So this would be a paid one. So you have to add some amount as well in order to access OpenAI's model. So let's import agent, task, and crew, and let's define the OpenAPI key. Now, as I said, the first step was to define an agent. So let's first define our first agent, which is support agent. And how do we define it? We basically specify 4 or 5 things. The first one is the role. So what is the role we want agent to perform? So the first role we want agent to perform is senior support representative. Right? So the agent should act like a senior support representative. What is its goal? The goal is be the most friendly and helpful support representative in your team. And then we also add a backstory. So what is the backstory? That you work at AIML, etc. This is the URL of the website. This is the URL of the company, and support to customer. So whenever a new customer will come, so we have defined a variable customer, a super important learner for your company. You need to make sure that you provide the best support, make sure to provide full complete answers, and make no assumptions. So AIML, etc. is our educational platform where we teach AI to IT professionals. So we have given that, and we are saying that any learner who is our customer, if he or she comes, you need to provide the best support to that person, right? And then we are saying allow delegation as false. So this agent cannot delegate its work. And then we are saying verbose equals to true. Why we are using verbose equals to true? Because when agent will work, we'll actually see how it is thinking. So we'll see all the intermediary steps and how it is thinking and how it is basically functioning. So this is how we have defined the first agent. So this is our support agent. Now what we'll do, we'll define our support quality assurance agent, where the role of the agent would be support quality assurance specialist. What is the goal? Get recognition for providing the best support quality assurance in your team. Backstory: you work at AIML, etc. This is the URL, and are now working with your team on a request from customer, ensuring that the support representative is providing the best support possible. You need to make sure that the support representative is providing full, complete answers and make no assumptions. So what we are saying that we have first agent who will answer the query from the customer, and then we have a quality assurance agent who will basically check this answer. Now, if the answer is good, it will basically show it to the user. If the answer is not good, then it will pass back to the support agent, and support agent has to rework on the query. So here, if you see, so we have not specified allow delegation equals to false. That means allow delegation is true. So by default, delegation is true. So now this agent can actually delegate the work to support agent. So this is what we are doing, and we have specified verbose equals to true. Okay. So now we have defined the agent. Now what is the second task? We need to define the tasks. So basically we can also define the tools. So like it doesn't matter. So now we are saying that we are defining 3 tools. One is Serper Dev API. Basically it can refer to Google. Then we have scrap website tool. It can scrap any website, any URL which you give. And then you have website search tool. It can search on any website you provide the URL for. So now we have added the tools. And for tools, for scrap website tool, I am giving the URL where, if you see, it has all the information about the courses. So I just wanted to show you so that you understand that when the agent will scrap the website, whether it has scrapped the right website or not. So this is basically the course details, that AI plus Gen I coaching for working IT professionals. So if you see course curriculum, course overview, hands-on labs, practical AI tools, course duration, do you provide OpenAI credits, course mode, prerequisites. So this is the information that we have. Now we'll see. So now let's specify this URL, and now we'll create the task. So the first task is inquiry resolution. What we are saying that customer just reached out with a super important task, and this is the customer, and this is his or her inquiry. Now person from this customer, so the customer, we are saying that it could be a company as well. So customer is the name, by customer we mean name of the company, and person is the name, is the representative from that company. So person from that customer is the one that reached out. Make sure to use everything you know to provide the best support possible. You must strive to provide a complete and accurate response to the customer's inquiry. Now what is the expected output? A detailed, informative response to the customer's inquiry that addresses all aspects of their question. The response should include references to everything you use to find the answer, include external data or solutions. Ensure the answer is complete, leaving no questions unanswered, and maintain a helpful and friendly tone throughout. So this is how we have defined the task. So we have defined what it needs to do and what is the expected outcome from that agent. And then we have specified the tools, the doc scrap tool, and we have said that agent would be support agent. So we are assigning this agent to this task, or basically this task to this agent, right? Now once we have done that, let's define our second task and assign the second that task to the second agent. So what we are saying, quality assurance review. Review the response drafted by the senior support representative for the customer's inquiry. Ensure that the answer is comprehensive, accurate, and adheres to the high quality standards expected for customer support. Verify that all parts of the customer's inquiry have been addressed thoroughly with a helpful and friendly tone. Check for references and sources used to find the information, ensuring the response is well supported and leaves no questions answered. Now, what is the expected outcome? A final, detailed, and informative response ready to be sent to the customer. This response should fully address the customer's inquiry, incorporating all relevant feedback and improvements. Don't be too formal. We are a chill and cool company, but maintain a professional and friendly tone throughout. So now we have, and then we have added the agent, and we have not given any tool to this agent. So what? So basically, it has to just check what the support agent will provide. If it's right, it will pass to the customer. Else, it will send back to the agent for review or for the rework. Right. So the first agent can access tool. Second agent has to just check the tool. Now we need to create the crew. So for that we use crew class. In that we specified the agents. The first agent is support agent, the second agent is support quality assurance agent. And then we have tasks: inquiry resolution, quality assurance review. These are the two tasks. And verbose equals to true. Basically, true, that means that we'll see what is happening, the thought process, the entire flow. And then we are also specifying memory equals to true, so that we are enabling the memory, so that if agent basically remembers what it has done previously. So we are allowing the memory. So now we have defined the agent, and now let's ask the query. So what I have defined, that Rohit Sharma is the person, and he's asking, I need help with the courses offered by AI, ML, etc. What are the concepts covered in the course? So this is his inquiry, and then we are saying this is the input. So we are saying crew.kickoff. Now comes the important part. We need to see how the model thinks. So now if you see, I'll show you. So basically, we have given a URL. It has to scrap that URL, extract the information, and then answer the query based on the information it has retrieved. So now first understand how it has it has worked. So if you see, so this is the whole process it has followed. I will show you. Okay. So now the first working agent is senior support representative. So starting task, Rohit Sharma just reach out with a super important ask. I need help with the courses offered by AI, ML, etc. What are the concepts covered in the course? So this was our query. So now Rohit Sharma is the one that reached out. Make sure to use everything you need to provide the best possible answer. You must strive to provide a complete and accurate answer. So this is what it's thought. So now it has entered into the chain. So I need to provide Rohit Sharma with a detailed list of the concepts covered in the courses offered by AIML, etc. I should use the tool read website content to gather this information, right? So now what is the action? Read website content. An action input, this URL. So this URL, from this URL, agent is thinking that I should read the website content. And if you see now, it has extracted the information from this URL. So if you remember, I showed you. So if you see all this thing, if you see pricing, the course details, it has extracted the information. Free courses, if we go below, we'll see all the information. So now if you see course curriculum, course overview, this is what we have seen, right? And then course hands-on labs, everything. So now it has extracted all the information. So it has completely, like the LinkedIn profile, price, the footer, the address, everything it has basically extracted. So it has got the right information. And now based on this information, it has actually created the answer that the courses offered by AI, ML, etc. cover a wide range of concepts in the field of AI, ML, and LLM. Some of the key concepts covered include Pandas lab, machine learning lab, deep learning lab. So this is the answer which it has generated. Now these concepts are covered in hands-on labs and practical. So based on this, it has created the answer. So if you see, these are the topics. These were the topic listed in here as well. If you see hands-on labs, Pandas lab, everything is listed here. So based on that, it has created the answer. And now, so basically, it has thought. Now, once it has got the answer, it is saying, I need to ensure that the response drafted by the senior support representative for Rohit Sharma's inquiry meets the highest quality standard expected for customer support. So this is how the quality agent is thinking, and based on that, it has evaluated and it has given the answer. Thank you for reaching out with your inquiry about the courses offered. I have reviewed the information on our website to provide you with a detailed list of the concept. The concepts offered by AI, ML, etc. cover a wide range of topics related to artificial intelligence, machine learning, and other technical areas. And if you see introduction to AI and ML, data processing and cleaning, supervision, so this is what they have come up with. And then they have finally drafted this answer. They have checked, they have reviewed, and then based on that, they have given the answer. So this is how the model is thinking. So basically what we have done, we have created two agent system. One agent is for support. It will take the query, it will scrap the URL which you will give, and based on the information, it will generate the answer and it will give it to the quality agent. Quality agent will basically then check the answer. If it's right, it will draft an answer and provide it to the customer. If not, it will send back to the support agent. So this is how the whole process is. So it has thought and basically provided the answer. So this is what it is. So this is how you create a multi-AI agent system using CrewAI. Hope you understood. So the process which involves is, first you have to define the agent, then you have to define the task, or basically you can define the tools, and then you combine the crew and then you run the crew. So this is how you run an agent. So I hope you like the video. Please subscribe or follow me. I'll try to share similar content in the future. Thanks for watching.